to actually see this word problem, this is when we normally see this used in real life. We'll have an equation, and we want to have it in terms of something other than what it's solved for. So we've got the formula for the circumference of a circle, c equals 2 pi r. C represents the circumference, and r represents radius. And what I want to do is solve the formula for r. So I've got c equals 2 times pi times r, and I want to try to get r by itself. The way I would do that is I have to get rid of this 2 times pi times r, being multiplied by the r. How do I get rid of multiplication? I just divide. So I'm going to divide each side by 2 pi. So I get c divided by 2 pi equals r. And I've just solved this for r. And now that I've solved this for r, I'm just going to rewrite it, c over 2 pi equals r. Now what I can do is, if I know the circumference, I can just find the radius very easily just by plugging it into this formula. So the largest yo-yo in the world is 32.7 feet in circumference. That's what I'm going to plug in for c. And I know c divided by 2 pi is going to equal r. And when I just type this into my calculator, it's that easy, 32.7 divided by 2 times pi. Just make sure to put 2 times pi in parentheses so you don't do it wrong in your calculator. And when you do that, you get about 5.2 equals r. So the radius was about 5.2 feet. And hopefully this doesn't seem too tricky to you, and you just understand that solving for a variable is just the same thing as solving regular equations. We do the same steps, it's just now we're going to have some different variables going on. That's all there is for this lesson. As always, let me know if you have any questions.